So let's start. Create a new Xcode project, and let's select iOS and app, and next. And the product name, you can put the name of your app as you want. I will put tab bar controller test, and make sure your selected interface storyboard and language is Swift. And let's click next, and you can create whatever you want. All right, so in this app we're not going to use any storyboard, and the first thing I'm gonna do is deleting this storyboard, move to trash, and then I'm going to delete this view controller too, because I'm going to show you that you can create a file with the name as you want. Delete this one too. Okay, we do not have any storyboard right now, so we're going first to set our app. You must come here and the name of your app, and come here in general, and come here in the interface and delete this and press enter. And then you must come here in info and come here in this application Sino manifest, this dictionary, and click right here, and in this Sino configuration dictionary application section role item 0, and then come here in this storyboard name and delete this. All right. And the last thing, we're going to create a new file. It's Swift file, and let's put next. The name, you can put whatever you want. I'll put tab bar controller, and let's create that. I'll put right here. Let's import Wykit. Okay, let's create class with the same name as you put right here. Tab bar controller, and let's put this inheritance from y tab bar controller, and let's open curly braces, and then view did load, and super view did load. All right. And then you must come here and scene delegate, and come here in this view connection to section. You can delete this, and let's configure this to the app starts with this file we have just created. So let's delete this, and let's put a name to this, and let's name this to window. Oops, let's delete this. Window scene. All right, and we must put here window is equal to UI window with window scene, like window scene that we just created. So here we must put window dot frame is equal to UI screen dot main dot bounds, and put window dot frame is equal to sorry, dot root view controller is equal to the name of the view controller that we have just created, and in that case, tab bar controller. Okay, and the last thing we must do here is put window dot make k invisible. So here I just say to the app that this file is the file. This tab bar controller is the file that we will initialize the app. So let's now create new files, and these new files is for each item of this tab bar controller that we will create. So in my case, I'm create the first one is iOS, which file let's put next, and the first item will be home. Let's put home controller, and let's create that. All right, let's put right here, and let's create another one. The name will be receive it controller, but you can put here whatever name as you want to your item of your tab bar controller. All right, right here we must import UI kit, and we must create the class with the name we have just created. In that case, home controller inheritance from UI view controller, and let's open curly braces, and view did load, super view did load. All right. Okay, and let's do the same for receive it controller, and let's change the name here. Receive it controller. All right, so let's just change the background color here. View dot background color equal to system grade. Okay, and the same right here. View dot background color is equal to whatever you want. Let's put red. Okay. All right, I have here home controller and receive it controller, and after I create the tab bar controller here, you can keep coding here. You can keep going and creating your screen programmatically or with XIB files. I will do it right here with XIB files. So let's configure our tab bar controller right here. First thing, we need to instance our files that we have just created. I will name it here like let home controller is equal to home controller, open and close, let receive it controller is equal to, oh, sorry, this one. Okay, receive it controller, and right now we must put the name of the title of the tab bar, the icon of the sidebar that must appear. So I'll call it like phrase. Home controller dot title is equal to home, and receive it controller dot title is equal to receive it. All right, so now we must configure our tab bar controller. We can do it type in self dot set view controllers and here we must put our array of controllers, and then I'll put here home controller that I've just created, and receive it controller. I've made it. I'll put it false. All right. So now if we run our app, let's see something. I'm running my app right here, and let's see what's going on. The beauty was succeeded, and then it's loading yet. Let's see. We can see here that we have home and receive it, but it's not good as it should be. So let's configure this, and as you can see, we don't have any icon right here, so you can put this icon here too. I'll show you guys how to do it. And let's come back to Xcode project, and then let's first configure the tab bar colors. We can do it typing self dot tab bar dot background color. I'm going to put it white, but you can put the color as you want. And the color of the tab bar, when I select, it was in the simulator as blue, but I'll change this for black. Dot self dot tab bar dot tint color is equal to black. Okay. Now we still need to set the images. To do it, we can type here guard let statement. Oh no, this is wrong. I must put guard let statement, and to let I will call you like items, and let's put the expression here. Let's type self dot tab bar dot items, return nothing. All right, and then let's set the image. Let image is equal to, let's open this and put here, I will put here the name of the system icons from Apple. If you want to know more about these names, you can see the link that I will let below in the description of this video, and this link will direct you to here to this web address from Apple. And if you want, you can download the app to see all the names of this system icons from Apple. So I'll just select two right here, and we're gonna use it in our app. And let's come back to Xcode product home. There is an icon with this name home, and another one. Let's select, for example, this one. No, this one. It's more simple. Target. All right. So now, now, in my case, I created two items in my tab bar controller, but you can create as much as you want. So in my case, I'll do the for x in 0 until 1, because I need a for to go all the way in my array of images. So it starts with the first element like 0, the second element like 1, and if you have a third item in your tab bar, it will be your element number 2, and you must change it right here. Okay, the for, inside the for, you must put the items. Let's open this, put this right here, and dot image is equal to UI image. Let's open this and put system name, and the system name will be this array on the top. And let's put here images with X inside. Alright, so now let's build our app and see. Oh, I'm sorry, I got a problem here. Okay, let's build our app and see if everything is working. Alright, I have home and receive it. I have a problem here with the home. Let's see what's going on. Let's change. Oh, I'm sorry. This name is wrong. It's Rose. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, it's working. The icon is right. The color, everything is working. Now you can keep going. Just you can keep going with your strings, coding programmatically right here, or in my case, I'm gonna create an XIB file. So let's come here, and new file is the XIB file is this view iOS view.next. I'll put the same name of my file right here. So let's put here on controller and create. All right, let's put right here, and I'll create another one, view next, and the name will be receive controller. So there is no problems with the same name of these files because these extensions are different. If you show here in Finder, you can see these new files are with the extension .xib. So let's come back to Xcode file. So to tell our project that this screen will be for this file, we must come here, and you can open here, come to files owner, and then in this section we can put the class with the name of this file that we have just created, and the name is home controller, and press enter, and you can come here in this last icon and click on this circle and drag onto the screen. This means you are setting your outlet of your view and telling to product that this class, this file, we're going to be setting this view. All right, we must do the same for this one. Come here and come into file owners, put the name right here, receive it, press enter, come in the last item, this cycle, drag into the mirror of the screen. All right, it's configured. Now you can just configure here your screen as you want. For example, I'll just do an example for you guys. Let's put, for example, a label on the middle, and let's just do a minor configuration here. Let's put this a little bigger and just as it is. And the another one, the receiver controller, I'll put, for example, an image view, but you can put everything you want. I put my image view. I'll set system image view just for show you guys. Okay. I'm not gonna set any constraints because it's just an example, but you can put the constraints as you need in your own app. And if you don't like to use XIB files, you can just set your screen programmatically right there. Let me show right here in your files. So here your screens as I just create. So I'm gonna just change one thing right here. I set it the background color programmatically, but I can set it in the background in the XIB file. And let's come here and select right here, and I'm gonna select the color here. I can put the color as I want. I'll put this one, and here I'm gonna set the background color as yellow. Okay, let's run our app again and see if everything is working. All right, as you can see, everything is working. So that is all that I was wanting to pass to you today, and that's it. The advantage of creating an Xcode project programmatically with XIB files is your app is gonna run faster, and as you need to create an app with more and more screens, you need to app that run fast, and then you need to do this type of configurations to have a tab bar controller. All right, if you like this video, or if you happen to, you can just click in the like in the below, or you can comment as you want. And that's it for today. Thank you, guys.